In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a person from a photo using Canva, an incredibly versatile design tool that many of us have come to rely on for creative projects. With Canva's straightforward interface and powerful features, editing images has never been easier. And today we're going to focus on the magic eraser tool, which can be your best friend when you need to tweak photos quickly and efficiently. Firstly, you need to head over to Canva's homepage. If you're not already there, open your web browser and type in www.canva.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll have a vast array of templates at your disposal. You can choose one you have previously created, or start fresh by selecting a new one. This template serves as your canvas, the foundation for your editing task. Now, you have various template sizes to select from. This flexibility allows you to tailor your workspace according to the project you have in mind, whether it's a Facebook post, a flyer, or any other format. Once you've chosen the template size, navigate to the Upload section. This is where you'll bring the photo you want to edit into Canva's environment. Upload your image by either dragging it into the upload box or selecting it directly from your device. Once your image is fully uploaded, click to insert it into your chosen template. With your image in place, the real fun begins. Look for the Edit button, which should be visible when your image is selected. Click on it to bring up a menu of editing options. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to find and click on the Magic Eraser tool. The name says it all. It allows you to magically remove objects from your photos with ease. Once the Magic Eraser tool is activated, select the Click option. This allows you precise control over which parts of the image you'd like to alter. Now, let's get down to removing the unwanted person from your photo. Move your cursor over the individual you'd like to remove. Carefully click on the area encompassing the person to designate what you want to erase. After making your selection, hit the Erase button. Canva's Magic Eraser tool will work its wonders, removing the individual from your photo seamlessly. You'll be left with an image where space looks natural, as though the person was never there. By following these steps, you'll be able to remove people or objects from your photos with ease, keeping your images exactly as you envision them. Keep in mind that while the Magic Eraser is highly effective, you might need to make a few adjustments depending on the complexity of the image. Enjoy exploring Canva's multitude of other features as well, and happy editing!